This is going to be a product review of the Teckin Smart Plug. It's a mini plug, it's a mini outlet, it's a mini socket controlled by Amazon, Alexa, Amazon Dot, Google Assistant. It works on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi system. You do not need a hub. It allows you to have remote control of your lighting or appliance or whatever you have in here from anywhere in the world. The SP10 is rated at 10 amps. You can purchase this in a package of 4 or a package of 1. Very easy to set up, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. This is the side of the plug. This is the power switch that you can use to manually turn things on and off. It will also have a flashing light when you turn this on for the first time to sync it to your Smart Life app. You're going to have to install Smart Life app on your cell phone for this to work. I'm going to show you how to do that. I have just plugged in the smart plug, and you will see that it's rapidly flashing. That's the most important step. You have about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, to sync this to your cell phone. If it does not flash by the time you get everything going, just unplug it and start all over again, or press the button down for 5 seconds. So I'm going to go over to the Smart Life app now. You are going to need to install this on your Android or iPhone. Just go to your Android or iPhone store, and it's very simple to install. It's free. Light is flashing. I'm going to click on the plus to add. I'm covering up my phone number, that's why this card is over here. So we're going to look for something that says lighting socket, which we see over there. I'm going to click on socket. We have add device, and it says, is the light flashing? It is still flashing, so we're going to continue. I have already added my Wi-Fi information. That's what you see over here. You're going to have to do that when you first set up the app. I'm going to confirm. It's going to link to my Amazon Dot, which is in the background over here, and it's also going to link to the cell phone. You're going to hear it in a minute when it detects this, about now, about 12%, maybe 15%. I just heard a click. So we do have a connection right now.
I found Smart Socket, and you can control it by saying, turn on Smart Socket.
All right, so we've successfully linked everything together. I'm going to click Done. And now I'm going to show you some of the features of this. We can see the cell phone. I'm going to press on the button so we can see the light come on. You'll see it on the table. And you hear it in the background. The light is on. The light is off. And it's also not only going on there, but it's also going on the cell phone. So let's do that by pressing the cell phone. Light comes on. Light goes off. We have another way we can do that. We have a random setting, so you can randomly turn on and off when you want the lights to come on. We have a timer, so you can schedule, you can set a timer for how long you want the light to remain on or off. We have a schedule, so you can set it for daily times when you want the lights to be on or off. Right now this is called Smart Socket, so we're going to go in here and rename this to Smart. You now have the name Smart. You could rename this kitchen, bedroom, baby's room, whatever you want to do. Light on, light off. Now when you set this up, it allows you to set up a link between your Smart Life and your Amazon app, so you can control this on your cell phone with the Amazon app. You can control this on your cell phone with Amazon using your voice. You can control this with your Smart Dot, I've got it in the background over here. So we're going to do that right now because we've already renamed this Smart, and the light is off. So we are going to call this Smart, and we're going to say, Alexa, Smart on.
Okay.
And you can see the light. That's the reflection of the video lights, but you can see the light over here in the background. Alexa, Smart off.
Okay.
Alexa, Smart on.
Okay.
So you would be able to control that with your Alexa Dot or using the Alexa app on your cell phone from anywhere in the world, or if you're sitting in your living room and you want to turn the lights on and off, you can do that with this, or you can do it with your cell phone. You can even do it with your Fire Stick if you have Fire TV. So I'm going to leave a link to purchase this in the description of the video. Click on the link, it will take you right to Amazon. It's my Amazon affiliate link. You'll be able to purchase this right away, and you will be able to automate your house and control appliances and lights with your cell phone or your voice. Alexa, smart off.
Okay,